Hi there everyone, I'm Kyle Sooley-Brookings, and we do have quite the weather maker on the way. There's several weather alerts in effect, so we'll dive right in and get started with those. We'll start out with the warnings that we have in place in Labrador. Right now there are blizzard warnings and snowfall warnings in effect. So for areas under the blizzard warning, 15 to 20 centimeters of snow is possible on Monday, with further amounts expected on Tuesday. Combined with winds gusting to 80 kilometers per hour. That's along the Labrador coast from Hopedale to Black Tickle. And then we do have snowfall warnings in effect for the areas shaded in white. So for Churchill Falls, Churchill Valley, 15 to 20 centimeters is expected. Then for Upper Lake Millville to Eagle River, we could see another 20 to 25 centimeters of snow. Moving along to the warnings that we have in Newfoundland. There's wind warnings and blowing snow advisories in effect for Newfoundland. We're looking at winds for central gusting to about 110, 120 for the east coast, and potentially getting up to 150 for some exposed areas of the west coast. With winds that high, there is the potential that we could see some power outages. You'll want to be mindful of that. And then we have some alerts in effect for the south coast. Rainfall warnings in effect there. We could see anywhere from 20 to as much as 40 millimeters of rain as this system moves through. So overnight tonight, it is going to be fair for most areas. We're looking at a few clear breaks in St. John's, getting down to a low of -9. Central Newfoundland tonight, mostly clear on a low of -7. And as we head on to the west coast, we'll start out clear. However, we will see increasing clouds, likely seeing some snow before morning. Winds gusting to 70 kilometers an hour overnight tonight, and about 2 centimeters of snow, and an overnight low of -9. The forecast now for tomorrow, it is going to be quite unsettled for the majority of Newfoundland and Labrador. Windy conditions expected across Newfoundland. Most areas will see snow. That snow will transition over to rain. There is the potential that we could see some ice pellets during the transition, but for most areas, we are going to see more rain than we are snow, but it will be quite gusty. The winds will really pick up for most areas into the late morning and through the afternoon, and it could end up being a long duration wind event. And in Labrador, we're looking at snow for most areas and some gusty winds expected in western Labrador. We'll move on now to your extended forecast, and we'll start in St. John's. We are looking at tomorrow. We are looking at snow to start. It will change over to rain, gusty winds, about 2 to 4 centimeters of snow, followed by 2 to 5 millimeters of rain. Winds gusting to 120, a daytime high of 2. And then we do clear out finally as we head through Tuesday, looking at a few flurries. And then Wednesday and Thursday, sun and cloud, and sunny breaks expected for your Friday. And then as we head into Gander tomorrow, we are looking at snow once again to start, with about 3 to 5 centimeters expected, changing over to about 3 to 5 millimeters of rain, winds gusting to 110, and a daytime high of 4. As we head through Tuesday, cooling down, -1, and then for Wednesday and Thursday, sun and cloud. Friday, we are looking at cloudy conditions, and you'll notice we do warm up as we head through this coming week. And then for Corner Brook tomorrow, we are looking at 2 to 5 centimeters of snow, followed by about 5 to 10 millimeters of rain, and the winds potentially gusting to 140 in Corner Brook over exposed areas, a daytime high of 5. As we head through Tuesday, we're looking at flurries continuing, a -4. Friday, looking at sun and cloud. Thursday, cloudy, and we could potentially see some rain on Friday, and Corner Brook will see a nice warm-up as the week progresses as well. So the big story with this weather system that we have moving through for the island portion of the province is going to be the strong winds that we're looking at, and in Labrador, it will be the snow. You can check out the latest news and the latest weather forecast as well at newfoundnews.ca.
We were getting married in the most beautiful rural setting. My mom got sick and couldn't be with us for our big day. I was heartbroken. Thankfully, we discovered ExploreNet. They responded right away and connected us to high-speed internet. Our big day was incredible because it felt like Mom was there.
ExploreNet. Connect to what matters.